Here is New Zealand franc sell follow-up. So on September 5th we published this post in this very channel on New Zealand franc. The plan was to sell the rallies. Here is a quick recap why we were after sell. We spotted a bearish hidden divergence that developed into continuing divergence on the histogram. 4-hour chart made a beautiful MACD moving average divergence. The 4-hour chart trendline was broken to the downside. And as it happened, the 1-hour chart made classical bearish price structure. 3 lower highs, lower lows. Our trading plan was straightforward. Sell the rallies from these Fibonacci levels as long as they hold. And here is the result. As you can see on this pair, entered the Fibonacci level and dropped down to deliver a strong bearish move and bearish momentum. Join our family, the Home Trader Club, to enjoy the full, complete trading courses, real-time trading education and real-time trading opportunities.